Welcome to Weird Sounds. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Today we're going to be playing a number of weird noises. You never know what you're going to find.
Christmas, Yamaha. Last Christmas, I gave Yamaha, but the very next day,
These are some weird sounds. We have one more for you guys, and then we're doing an extra special Fiesta bonus round since today is New Year's.
my dad's like, hey, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
All right, here's our bonus round. Hope you guys like it.
These nuts. Got him. These nuts. Got him.
All right, we actually have one more for you guys because we're feeling special today. Happy New Year's to you guys. We love you so much. Thanks for supporting our channel. By the way, I'm disguising my voice so I don't get any hate. All right, we think you guys are really gonna like this one. Make sure to comment down below what your favorite noise was.
There's something I need to tell you. There's something I need to say. I feel very creative. I think it'll make your day. Yeah. I've done a bill for you. It's a brown number 2. It's what I
All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was the Weird Sounds Christmas. Well, this is thank you for New Year's Eve. Thanks for all the love and support. Be sure to comment what your favorite one was. We'll see you guys in the next video.